How to stop Instagram from sharing stories to Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to stop Instagram from sharing stories to Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the settings section, just tap on Account Center. And now here in this section, simply scroll down and there you can just tap on the option labeled as sharing across profiles. So simply tap on it and here you can choose the Instagram account from the list of connected accounts, and after that you can find the option to share your story to Facebook, and there you can simply toggle it off. And here once you do that, now your Instagram story will no longer be shared automatically on Facebook. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.